morning and welcome back to crazy, wild, stormy Melbourne weather. So last night I noticed that it was fairly windy, and as time continued it got windier and windier, and of course I'm then thinking about the beehive. Is the beehive okay? The little free library, is that okay? And probably at like 10 o'clock I suddenly got this terrible feeling that the beehive had been blown over, which would be disastrous because one, the bees would not be happy, and two, I wouldn't exactly know how to get them back into anything, and what can you do? So to me this is very unexpected, very high winds, and it's a bit crazy. So we've had the slide blow down and tumble across the yard, and other things blow over, and branches have fallen down. I've heard reports in our neighborhood that trees are across the road, and the little free library has sustained some damage. So I'm currently in the laundry with the roof of the little free library. It was blown off in one fell swoop. When we were first discussing installing and getting the little free library, this is something that we did think about. We did wonder if there would ever be winds that would be significant enough to rip the roof off. And yeah, so the weather has been crazy. I'm now going to attempt to go outside to retrieve all of the books that are in there for now, because what else can I do? The wind is still pretty nuts, but I just feel that I just need to do that. The beehive's fine. I'll show you what everything looks like out there, and then I'll set you guys up so you can maybe kind of see me through the window, because I don't even think my camera would actually stay upright. I think it would be gone. So I'll show you what it's like outside the front at the moment, and then I'll start retrieving all the books. So this got absolutely hammered, but you can see one little brave bee coming out, and I'd say it's still in the spot where we put it. This may have shifted over a bit, I'm not really sure, but to say that I was worried about them overnight would probably be a gross understatement. So you can see the little free library's been hammered, and the roof got completely ripped right off the top of it. And then I came out early this morning and strapped it up, but you can see, because we have the gaps here, it's wet. So I'm gonna rescue all the books. I've brought all the books in, and then I've got those straps holding the doors closed. But I would have to say, considering I've seen footage in the city of Melbourne, where there's entire roofs being blown off of buildings, that these are like incredibly high winds. And it gives me a chance to kind of be a librarian and organize things a bit better, because a lot of people, which I'm very grateful for, have visited the little free library and put a lot of books in and taken things out and switch things around, and it's just a good opportunity to kind of sort everything out again. And yeah, so at the moment, I guess the little free library is on holidays, and we'll see what else we need to kind of fix up around the yard. But we're still okay, and I hope wherever you are that you're okay. And we just keep on keeping on, don't we? We just work with what we've got, and we don't worry about it. And you know, I might go de-wind sweep my hair and get on with the rest of my day. So that's the latest update with the little free library. I'm beginning to think now, if there's any bad weather in the future, that I'll probably just have a tarp that I just wrap it all up and tarp it completely. I don't know. I'm open to suggestions from other people. If you live overseas and you have a lot of snow or crazy weather, things like that, what tips and tricks you might have for me with what I can do. Like I said, this was kind of unexpected. We have had storms in the past where lots of trees have blown over, and we've lost power for days, and I can link all those videos for you. But yeah, this is kind of one of those feelings, but we'll keep on keeping on, and you stay well, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys.